Hi everyone, welcome back to 3x5 Artist. Just wanted to give you a quick tip on dealing with tip dry. Now, whether you keep your cap on or off, you're going to run into a situation where you're going to get some buildup on the end of your needle and you're going to have to clean it up. Now, some people are worried about, poking their finger or damaging the needle tip. One thing you can do is keep a little sponge, a little store-bought dish sponge, soft. Keep it next to you, keep it wet. When you run into that scenario where your tip dries up a little bit, just put it on the end, give it a twist. It'll wipe off 90% of that tip dry, let you get back to work in a hurry. If you got the cap on, it'll clean out the inside of the needle cap as well as the tip itself. It'll also prevent you from poking yourself in the finger or possibly damaging your needle tip. Thank you so much for checking out my video. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Until next time.